Hi guys, so what I did this afternoon was I took a nap 3 hours. I planned earlier to study, but I took a nap and then woke up 3 hours earlier. After that, I did the dishes and do some sweeping, and now I don't know what to do because I want to study but I don't have the energy to because I'm hungry, and now I don't know what I'm going to eat or cook. I did well today, so I think I deserve this.
Take transition of gap. Mande apa ya? Hello, masabi ko yan.
Guys, it's currently 7:30 and my class is at 10, so I have a lot of time to get ready, but I already did my makeup and I already got ready, so I have a lot of time to review since we have a quiz that 10 a.m. class. And now I'm just gonna prepare breakfast. gonna quickly show you my outfit, guys, since I love my outfit. I thrifted this top. It's only 150 pesos. It's so good for its price. It's like the Korean knitted sweaters. I really love the fabric because it's like knitted and it's only 150 pesos. So, and this is a long skirt. I don't know where my sister got this. Probably on Shopee. I really love my outfit. So here's my breakfast. We have corned beef, egg, and boiled beans, and of course some rice. And I have the Milo. So it's time for me to go to school now. Time check, it's 3:20 and I'm back at my dorm, and look how haggard I am because of all the walkings I did. It's approximately a 15-minute walk from my department to my dorm, so it's really long and it's really hot. And my plan for this afternoon was to do my nails for our acquaintance party, since our acquaintance party is on Friday and it's now Wednesday, and I don't think I have vacant tomorrow, so this is the only time that I have to do my nails. And before that, I'm gonna cook a snack, which is I'm choosing between mac and cheese and pasta carbonara. This is what I am thinking. I haven't tried this and I love this, so I might try this.